In the dynamic world of business, efficiency and seamless operations are the bedrock of success, especially for large enterprises navigating complex landscapes. These giants require robust and integrated software solutions that can scale with their ambitions, streamline workflows across diverse departments, and ultimately drive growth. While many might associate Zoho with small to medium-sized businesses, a closer look reveals a compelling truth. A significant number of big companies, across various industries, are leveraging the power of Zoho's comprehensive suite of applications. As a project management expert, I've witnessed firsthand the transformative impact of well-implemented software on organizational efficiency. Zoho, with its diverse and interconnected ecosystem, offers a compelling value proposition for large corporations seeking to optimize their operations, enhance collaboration, and gain a competitive edge. This video will delve into the reasons why big companies are increasingly turning to Zoho and explore some notable examples, shedding light on the specific ways they are utilizing this versatile platform. We'll break down the complexities and present this information in simple English, making it easily understandable for anyone looking to learn about enterprise software adoption. Why big companies are saying yes to Zoho. The decision for a large enterprise to adopt a new software platform is rarely taken lightly. It involves rigorous evaluation, considering factors like scalability, security, customization capabilities, integration with existing systems, and, of course, cost-effectiveness. Zoho has consistently ticked these boxes, making it an increasingly attractive option for big players. Here are some key reasons behind its growing popularity in the enterprise segment. 1. The power of integration, a unified ecosystem. One of Zoho's strongest suits is its vast and tightly integrated suite of applications. Unlike many other software vendors that offer disparate tools requiring complex integrations, Zoho provides a comprehensive ecosystem covering CRM, project management, marketing automation, customer support, finance, HR, and much more. For large companies with numerous departments and intricate workflows, this unified approach offers significant advantages. Seamless data flow. Information can flow smoothly between different departments, eliminating data silos and providing a holistic view of the business. For instance, a sales lead generated in Zoho CRM can seamlessly transition to a project in Zoho Projects upon conversion, with relevant customer data readily available. Reduced complexity. Managing multiple disparate systems can be a logistical nightmare, leading to increased IT overhead and potential integration issues. Zoho's integrated suite simplifies this complexity, offering a single vendor solution for a wide range of business needs. Enhanced collaboration. With all teams operating within a connected environment, collaboration becomes more efficient and transparent. Project teams can access CRM data for context, marketing teams can track the impact of their campaigns on sales, and support teams can have a complete view of customer interactions. 2. Scalability to match growth ambitions. Big companies are constantly evolving, and their software solutions need to scale accordingly. Zoho's architecture is designed to handle large volumes of data and users, making it a reliable platform for growing enterprises. Whether it's accommodating an increasing number of employees, managing a surge in customer interactions, or handling complex project portfolios, Zoho can adapt to the evolving needs of large organizations. Its tiered pricing structure also allows companies to scale their usage and costs in line with their growth trajectory. 3. Customization and flexibility, tailoring to unique needs. Large enterprises often have highly specific requirements and unique workflows that off-the-shelf software may not fully address. Zoho offers extensive customization options, allowing companies to tailor the platform to their exact needs. This includes custom fields and modules. Businesses can create custom fields and even entire modules within Zoho applications to capture specific data relevant to their industry and operations. Workflow automation. Zoho's powerful workflow automation tools enable companies to automate repetitive tasks, streamline processes, and enforce business rules across different applications. This can significantly improve efficiency and reduce manual errors. Integration capabilities. While Zoho offers a vast suite of its own applications, It also provides robust APIs and integration capabilities to connect with other critical business systems that a large company might already be using, such as enterprise resource planning, ERP, software, or specialized industry-specific tools. 4. Security and reliability mission-critical considerations. For big companies handling sensitive data and mission-critical operations, security and reliability are paramount. Zoho invests heavily in robust security measures, including data encryption, regular security audits, and compliance with industry standards. 1. Its reliable infrastructure ensures high uptime and data availability, minimizing disruptions to business operations. This commitment to security and reliability provides the peace of mind that large enterprises require when entrusting their data and processes to a software platform. 1. Intellinovex.com. Intellinovex.com. 5. Cost-effectiveness. A strategic advantage. While enterprise-grade software often comes with a hefty price tag, Zoho offers a compelling value proposition. Its pricing model is generally more competitive than many of its enterprise-focused counterparts, especially when considering the breadth of its integrated suite. This cost-effectiveness allows big companies to allocate resources strategically without compromising on functionality or scalability. For organizations managing large user bases and extensive data, the potential cost savings with Zoho can be substantial. Big names leveraging Zoho's power. While Zoho might not always be the first name that comes to mind when discussing enterprise software, a diverse range of large companies across various industries are successfully utilizing its platform. While specific client names are often kept confidential for competitive reasons, we can explore the types of big organizations and their potential use cases with Zoho. 1. E-commerce giants. Large online retailers with extensive product catalogs, numerous customer interactions, and complex order fulfillment processes can leverage Zoho in several ways. Zoho CRM, managing a large customer base, tracking leads from various marketing channels, personalizing customer interactions, and providing efficient customer support. Zoho Inventory, managing vast inventory levels across multiple warehouses, tracking stock movements, and ensuring timely order fulfillment. Zoho Marketing Automation, running sophisticated marketing campaigns, segmenting customer lists, automating email marketing, and analyzing campaign performance. Zoho Desk, providing multi-channel customer support, managing support tickets efficiently, and ensuring high levels of customer satisfaction.